Hello, this is Miss Janet with GLS Success Central, and welcome to my channel. We provide up-to-date, verifiable information to help you build your personal finances as well as your credit scores. And speaking of personal finances, I want to talk to you about the Child Independent Care Tax Credit. Now, I know everybody knows about the $3,000 or up to $3,600 per child that is, I guess, is supposed to start in July. Well, this is a part of the Families Act that nobody's talking about, but they're going to be. This package is awesome for families. So I want to get right to it. Right here. For the 2021 tax year, the Child Independent Care Credit can get you up to 50% of up to $8,000 of child care and similar costs for a child under 13. A spouse, listen to this, a spouse or a parent who cannot care for themselves or another dependent so that you can work, and up to $16,000 of expenses for 2 or more dependents. Did you hear that? $16,000 in tax credit for 2 or more dependents. Now, the percentage is allowable expenses decreases for higher income. As the income goes higher, of course it decreases. But this is incredible. I'm going to leave the link in my comments below so you can peruse this yourself. But this tells us how to qualify for the Child Independent Care Tax Credit. A dependent child must be 12 or younger at the time the child care is provided. Spouses and other dependents don't have an age requirement, but IRS rules say they must have been physically or mentally incapable of self-care and must have lived with you for more than half the year. So this is a dependent as well, okay? If you're married, you must file as married, filing jointly. You must have earned income, money you've earned from a job, investment or dividend income. That doesn't count, okay? So you must provide the care provider's name, address, and taxpayer ID number, either social security number or employer ID number. You know what? They just make it so easy for families now. Now, this is what you can't claim. You can't claim the credit for payments to care providers who are your spouse, a parent of the dependent child, a dependent listed on your tax return, your child who is age 18 or younger, even if they're not listed as a dependent on your return. You really have to study this, because this is just, I don't want you to miss out on it. You want to get prepared now, because when you file your taxes next year, you want to take advantage of this or get as much as the $16,000 that you can get. Okay? All right, so here's a chart. I'm going to put this in my link. I'm going to put the link in my comments below, and it will tell you how this particular tax credit works. Also, there are other links that you can click on to give you additional information, but I just want to tell you there is a $16,000 tax credit for tax year 2021, and you don't want to miss it, okay? This is Miss Janet with GLS Success Central. If you like this type of information, press the like button. Please leave me a comment, especially about this. I know everybody's waiting for that $3,000 to $3,600, credit, but this is in addition to that. This is in addition to that. So please check it out, and please be prepared. This is Miss Janet with GLS Success Central. Oh, I forgot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so at this time. Hey, I'll see you in a couple of days. Grace and peace, Miss Janet out.